Hey guys, welcome to Auto Tech Pro. So right now we're in the FX35, right? So you're gonna have to take off this little piece over here for the airbag light indicator. Okay, take this one out from the motherboard. Okay, so we plug it into the new system.
Hi everybody, so as you can see, once you remove the airbag here, remember, do not turn on the car after you unpop this one, okay? Because once the airbag light is on, you will need to use the scanner to turn it off again. It's very important. Do not connect this cable, okay? They're the two same cable here. You just need to use the connect back to the original one. Connect right here and leave it inside. All right, you can tape it and leave inside. Okay, as long as it doesn't make any noise, that will be fine. All right. Okay, that's it. You do not need to connect this cable. However, I will repeat once again. Once you disconnect the airbag light, do not turn on the ignition. Okay,